Hi there. I'm Chef Mia.
And I'm her mom and her helper. Today we are building some yummy fruit kabobs.
Look at all these fruity friends.
We washed and cut them ahead of time. Remember to ask a grown-up to help you?
Mia, it's time to show our little friends how to build a kabob. Please be careful not to hurt yourself with the point of the skewer. Okay. Take a skewer. Then poke it through a fruit cube or slice of your choice. Repeat with another piece of a different fruit. Now add a green, red, or purple grape on top.
You're doing great, Chef Mia.
Time to dip. I see chocolate, yogurt, and sprinkles. Yummy!
Messy, but so much fun. Right, Mia?
Ta-da! A tasty, quick, and easy fruity snack all ready to eat.
Wasn't that fun and easy? Why don't you follow Mia's steps and build some more kabobs? Thanks for joining us in our backyard today. Remember, always build your kabob with a grown-up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Little Hearts Haven for more fun no-cook easy recipes.